Hello, my revivers. Today we're going to be unboxing my orbital random, I think it's called random orbital saw. Yeah. Now guys, I have several different little saws, but I never got the orbital saw. And I did research and I said, you know what? This was a while ago, but I was procrastinating. I said I didn't want to get it, but I feel like I really need this. I have some projects I feel like this will knock out and get it done. With the orbital saw, it moves in a random circular motion, and it also smooths out the areas versus complete straight lines. So I found this bad boy at Amazon after looking up some great reviews. This is the one that I chose, and I'm going to be opening it on camera with you guys. Let me see, make sure I'm not showing my address or anything. Okay, hold on, y'all. Okay, all right. Oh, I think I already put my address off. Yeah. So this sander, I want to say was $29, and the reason I picked it because it came with the sanding pads as well. Those should be in here. So this is the Tacklife. I'm sorry guys, this ring light is just all in the way, but that's because the paper is shiny. So we're gonna just open that to get that glare off of the screen. This is the Tacklife sander, and compared to the Black Injector and a couple others, this one was like the way to go as far as price and productivity with it. So I decided to get it. It's called Power Tools Random Orbitsander. I said orbital, but yep. And it has the thing that vacuums up, and according to all the other orbit sanders, this one does a really good job, even versus the Makita and DeWalt. It's a guy on YouTube that did a comparison of this versus the Makita and this versus the DeWalt, and he actually liked this one better, which the Makita that he had, he spent like 80 bucks for. So just keep that in mind. And if you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe and become a reviver. I like to share a lot of my unboxings with things that I need and I will use in my home or my family will use. And I also like to do in-depth reviews and demos on products when I buy them. So let's take it out and see everything that's inside of here. Move this out our way. So see, it came with multiple sanding pads already. Like that already is a plus for me. Let's see which ones they give us in here. So we got 80 grit, 180, so 80 and 180s, and it's 10 of them. That's not bad. So they're already starting you off to be ready for it. Oh, okay. Wow. This thing is not, well, when I say not light, meaning you can tell it's made very well. So this is the vacuum thingy. Can't remember how to take this off. I still got to read the directions. And this is where you would apply the sanding pads. And it has a Velcro thingy, and you can see how it moves when it sands. Awesome. Yeah, this, okay. This got weight to it. It feels like it will do some great sanding. Oh, I love the fact that the plug is not a three prong. It's a double. And it comes with Velcro to store the cord much better than trying to just wound it up. So that's good. So you got those pads, 10 of those pads, 80s and 180s. And then you also have a manual. And this one is thanks for supporting Tacklife. And it talks about the return policy and all that good stuff. And then this is just, I guess, how to use it. All right. And it comes in English, Dutch, French, Spanish, and Italiano. So yeah, that's what's in this package. And this is just the unboxing. I will be doing a demo on this to see how good this bad boy works. I'm so excited because we got some projects that totally need to be done. So I will be sharing that demo and sharing how well it works and if we like it. I think we're gonna like it. The reviews were amazing. It has a max here, and I like that, where you can, like my other sanders, you just turn them on and that's it. This, you can change the actual levels of power, and then here I guess is the on and off switch, which is cool and convenient for when you're sanding. You can just cut it on and off. And yeah, and this is the bucket that holds the sawdust as you sand, so that way it's not so much sawdust in the room. So yeah, guys, that's the Tacklife sander from Amazon. Not sponsored, not sponsored. Just sharing some of the things that I purchased that I utilize around my home for the low and ways to save coins, because people think just because it's a higher price and it's well known that it's always going to be the best. That's not true. That's why I do these reviews. So I'm excited to share this with you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If so, make sure you thumbs up the video, make sure you share the video, and if you are not subscribed to this channel, make sure you do, so you can join the Reviver family. All positivity over here. I help you and show you how I save my coins in my home, and I share a lot of different decor and ways to organize in my small space. So I will see you guys later, Gators. Oh, and don't forget to hit that bell if you haven't. Sometimes YouTube takes the bell away from people, like deselects it. So select it again and make sure that you are getting my videos, because they are kind of random and I don't want you to miss out on all the goodies that I share. Later, Gators.